the technique that I like to do with my makeup is I like doing my eyes first, particularly because I find that I have a lot more freedom when I'm doing it. I can literally just blend to the high heavens. I don't have to worry about 1, fallout, 2, glitter, 3, if I mess up my eyeliner and it, you know, is all wonky and stuff, I can fix it. I can just, you know, wipe it away. So that is why I do my eyes first. So how I prime, I don't actually use like a eye primer, I just use concealer. This is my favorite concealer. This is Tarte Shape Tape. I wear the color, well, this one is in Fair Light Neutral. I go for a cranberry-ish kind of look today with this new palette. I have been dying over. First off, I just want to say I'm a huge Disney fan. Like, I love Disney. So Colourpop has been killing it with this Disney collection. These, you guys, not only is the packaging cute, and it blows my mind that there's so much that you can tell went into this, but it's good quality too. Like, it's pigmented, it blends nicely, it's really amazing. That's all I gotta say. So I'm gonna go in with the color Spindrift, and I'm going to add that in the front, and I'm gonna kind of use this. I'm gonna go in with the color Fire now. Just on a brush like this, and we're I don't get why, like, my friends or family, they're like, I get like you like makeup, but I don't understand why you have to wear it out, you know? And I think it makes them uncomfortable when they're like out in public with me, and I'd be looking like a beautiful Lady Gaga, you know, like that. But that's just how I am. I just don't care. Life is too short, and when you realize that, like, you literally create your own reality, that's it. Like, you just do what you want, you know? So anyway, I'm gonna go in. I use this to cut my crease, the Contour Cream Kit. Doesn't really matter to me because this gets covered up by shadow, so I just use these light ones. I find that this is too thick to contour with, but I love to cut my crease with it, so, because it's just like 100% pigment. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do some stuff. I'm gonna cut this. Like that. Anyway, I'm really into, like, I'm just gonna do full eyes full of Colourpop Disney because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some of Mama Odi. Literally. Take some of this spinning wheel right on the center just because it's like a pinky highlight, and that was this one. I really like this, like, anyway, so, and then I'm gonna go in with this Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna take Tempera on a moderately, this is a big brush, just like a little bit, and okay, so now, actually I'm gonna do some eyeliner as well, and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Alright, hello, I'm back. I just finished doing the other eye. Now, I think I'm gonna clean up under the eyes because, wow, there's a lot of fallout. So, but when you are dealing with super pigmented shades, that's just like what's gonna happen, you know? Also, I am a freaking disaster. It's like all over me. What in the world? Plug. Literally sponsor me, please. I've gone through, I don't even know how many. This is the micellar cleansing water. I use this at night. I use this to clean up my makeup. If you aren't using it, girl, you're missing out. That's all I gotta say, you're missing out. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Brush go. Anyway, use the Anastasia, I don't know what brush this is, but it's just an eyebrow brush with a spoolie, and then I use the Anastasia Soft Brown Brow Powder Duo. Alright guys, I am back, and we are gonna do face makeup. So first, I'm going to put primer. This is just like a little sample, but I want to use it. This is the Makeup Forever Nourishing Primer. So I'm gonna go in with this Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I'm just gonna add. Yes, I know this is very unhygienic. So now, after that is good and done, we're gonna go in with concealer, which I really need. And this is like, I think, my biggest trend. Anyway, I'm gonna use the Airspun translucent powder. I just do this. I saw Huda Beauty doing this in her baking video, and I was like, oh my god, that's genius. That is so genius. And literally take the same brush because and definitely grandma vibes. Anyway, so that is on our face. Now, look at this. Ooh, super powdery, but we're gonna blend all of that away in a second, and we're actually gonna take two brushes here. Actually, I think I use this. Okay, it's fine. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the same bronzer that I use all the time. This is the Too Faced Medium Deep Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. With my Milani Luminoso, which I totally started using this after I saw Nikki Tutorials use this, and I was like, oh my god, she uses this, I gotta use this. So, and I like using this because I feel like it does give your skin back some life. Like, look at that. do mascara and before I do a lot of setting spray because I like a lot of powder and I like my makeup to stay in place. So I'm going to let this set and then I will be back. Alrighty, you guys, I am back. I've let it set and stuff, and now I'm gonna add my highlighter. I actually use 2 highlighters. I'm not gonna show you the Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill and Becca because it is broken. So I just like tap into it. This is the Milani. Yeah, I got it for $1, whatever. This is the Milani Stellar Lights palette, and I like. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I'm gonna apply some mascara. Mascara I've really been loving lately. I also got this for Christmas. This is the Tarte Light Camera Lashes. I don't know, you guys. I'm really liking it. So I could totally just take the red and like smoke it out, but I'm kind of like wanting to be a little bit different. I kind of want to take Frog and Wife. This could totally ruin it, but whatever. We're just gonna go for it. Like, like I'm Kylie Jenner. I wish. Okay, I think I like it. I think I'm done. Okay, speaking of Kylie Jenner, we're gonna go in with her lip liner in Coconut, which is like and then I'm gonna go in with the color Kylie. So anyway, this is my favorite lip gloss. Like, I like this better. I think I like this better than my Buxom. And my Buxom, like in the color Pink Lady, that was like my favorite for so long. Oh, and last thing, I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Double Team Special Effect colored mascara in Dime and Gold Mine, and I'm going to take this silver one. Well, alrighty then. This is my makeup look for today. I don't really follow the rules when it comes to makeup. There is no rules. I do what I want. I wear the colors that I want, and that's all I gotta say. Like, this is me, you know? But yeah, this is... I'll probably take some photos and edit them because this video quality isn't the greatest. But yeah, this is definitely like Colourpop. Like, look at this, Colourpop, go off. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have stayed this far, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.